Alright everyone, you're welcome back again to the platform Prince TV. If today is your first time, all you have to do is to subscribe and then make sure you put on your notification bell. Anytime I upload my video, you'll be the first person to be notified, and then you know what this video is all about. Alright, this particular video is mainly for those ones who are working here in Italy, those workers who are living across Italy, most especially with the foreigners who are living across the country. There are some facts which you have to understand relating to your busta paga, what they call TFR. I have to remind people so that you know your benefits and then your rights. First of all, before we kick in, I have one of my friends who always complains saying that I'm working here in Italy, but at the end of the day, all my money, I don't see it. I don't know how I spend this money. I said, how will you know how you spend your money when you receive your busta paga, when you receive your payment? Before you know what it happen, you go to carry different kind of women. Say, okay, now at this junction, how you want to save? Because they will give you money, maybe like say you work throughout the month. Then you will carry different kind of women, zero up and down. Too much of expenses, all based on women. Then how you want to get the service of the money which you receive. So now waiting, one of my friends always they complain. If you are under those categories, reduce your expenses. Expenses you spend on different girls, different women, more are reduced down so that you go feel safe. Because for life, when man don't make am, women are last. They're full everywhere. If you have made it, women will be the one to run after you. So you should know how you spend your money before you complain that you don't see all money you work. Some people they say we never make am. It gets somewhere like they don't make am pass, but based on expenses on girls, so that is why you see that things are always like that, complaining about money. Now let me go straight to the point why I am here. All about the TFR. I made this video long time ago, but at a time I discovered that I have to still call it up because of the new subscribers on this platform. Those ones who are working here in Italy, there is what we call TFR. This TFR is something that you have to receive if it happens that your contract or the company you are working with, they terminate your contract stating that you don't have to work with them again. Then they have to pay you that TFR. That is why it is very much important. Anywhere you are being signed contract for, any company, any of the kind of like work you are doing, and then they sign a contract for you, the best thing for you to do is that you have to take that contract to Sindacati so that they can control and see what they have written in that particular contract. Because this TFR I'm stating about, if it is written in your contract that your TFR will be received at the same time in your busta paga, this is what they call busta paga. In your busta paga, that the TFR will be given to you, meaning that if that contract ends or if the company fold up, they will not pay you back what they call that TFR. It is your right to receive it. So that is why it is good. If you are working in Italy, make sure that your TFR is not being paid in your busta paga. So this is the major key which I want people to understand. So now, for example, now you are receiving your busta paga and then you want to know if this TFR is being paid here inside this busta paga. What you have to do is to go to Sindacati, tell them to control your contract, and then as well the busta paga. If it is being paid inside, then automatically, sorry guys, know that you are receiving the money of the TFR already. So that is why I have to call your attention for those ones who are working here in Italy to still know all these things and know how to control your contract and then your busta paga. So that TFR is very, very much important. At this junction, if you have a question, you can still keep it at the comment section. All right, now let me still state one or two things, because there are still many people who work here in Italy, or they are interested of the salary they have to receive. But there is something that is beyond that salary, which most people don't really understand. I discovered there is a guy who told me that I prefer to work without contract than to work with a contract. I said, why? He said, because the money they pay him is more higher than that which they wrote contract. Because he worked before with a contract stating that if they give him the busta paga, the money which they will remove from the busta paga, that if they add that money to him direct, it is more better. I said no, these are what they call contribution. In Italian they call it trattenute. Now if you pick up your busta paga at this junction, you will see the total money which you have worked in the first place. That is a totale comprese. You see it there, everything you worked, and then under the totale comprese, you will still see where they wrote totale trattenute. this tratanunte, that is the tax which you have paid to IMS. That is your own part of tax which you have already paid to IMS. And at the end of it, you see where they write Reporto del Netto Mexi. You understand? That is your own particular money which you have to receive. That is the one which will be under it here. So now, at this junction, there are people who don't know all these things. They feel that working without contract is the best so that they receive all the money at once. But it is good that you are contributing to IMS, because this tratanute which you are paying here, that is the major solid key which make your codice fiscale to be occupied, stating that your personal self, you are paying tax to the government, and then the company as well are also paying their own tax at your own head to the company as well. That makes you that anytime you stop your work, you have to receive disoccupation for the Italian government to not pay you back the tax which you have contributed. So at this junction and at this particular stage, I want to use it to make a medium announcement to those ones who are working without contract in Italy. You should plead your boss or plead the company where you are working. Make sure they write in contract for you. Very much important, because now if they write that contract for you, that makes you standard that yes, you are being recognized by the government that you are among those ones who are paying tax in Italy. So my brothers and sisters watching me right away, if you are doing a work in Nero without contract and then feeling that in time to you are receiving the money, that is not the best idea, because at the end of the day, when the work stops, all the money which you received and then have spent, that is where it's going to end. You don't have the right to go and then ask for disoccupation, because you did not work with contracts, you work in Nero. So that is why it is important, as a person working in Italy, demand for a contract, no matter how it is. Make sure they wrote a contract for you. And I swear, there are many people who also take fake contracts. How do you know all these things? It is through your booster paga they give you. That is when you know. Now, if you check this part here where there is being written tratanute, that is the money which you pay direct to IMS. If that particular place reads 00, and at the end of the day, they just put your total amount which belongs to you, then know that that contract is not reading, because that tratanute must be paid to IMS. That shows that you are working and then you are paying your own part of the tax before the company or the organization will pay their own part of their own tax based on your head to the government. So guys, these are little bit updates which I want you guys to understand. It's a little video just to make you, to bring your attention that here in Italy, there is what they call TFR, which states that anytime it happens to be that the company fold up, the company have to pay you that particular money. It depends on how long you have worked. That will determine how much they have to pay to you. So if you are in Italy, you are working, you have a working contract, all you have to do is to go to the patronato or go to sindacati, tell them to control your contract. You want to know if the TFR is being stated in your contract. If it is being stated inside, meaning that they are paying you direct to your booster paga, it is not a good idea. So that is what you guys have to understand. And I swear, those ones who love working in Nero, I will give you a good advice that it is not good. Make sure that wherever you are working, there is a contract being signed. Very much important. What is the important aspect of it? That you are paying tax to the Italian government. They will recognize the fact that you are paying tax. Any day, anytime, Italian government are holding you. You are among those ones who have contributed so far. There is no way they can deny you that you have not paid tax. That is why it is very good. The IMS Institute, they know people who are paying tax. That codice fiscale there, that is the tax code you are seeing there, it is being occupied when you are paying tax. So anytime where you stopped your work, then you can go and then request for what they call disoccupation, and then they'll have to pay you this money because you have contributed to the economy, you have contributed to the government. That is why it is very much important to have a contract here in Italy. So it is just an update which I try to formulate or try to give you guys experience how all these things function. If there is something you don't really understand about this video, about the tratanute, all those kind of stuff, you can keep it at the comment section, and then I will still be there to kind of like reply your comments and then see how things goes. And then if you know you have not subscribed to this platform, all you have to do is to subscribe. Make sure you put on your notification bell. Anytime I upload my video, you'll be the first person to be notified and then know what this video is all about. The next time again we'll be together. I remain your host here on this platform, Prince TV. Make sure you hit the like button, and then I'll be very happy to see your like button. Thank you guys for supporting. Next time again we'll be together. Ciao.